Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare 3Commas and Pionex. 3Commas and Pionex are both powerful crypto trading bot platforms, but they cater to slightly different types of traders depending on what you need: customization, automation, or simplicity. 3Commas is best known for its flexibility and wide range of features. It supports multiple exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, KuCoin, and more. You get access to advanced tools like DCA bots, grid bots, option bots, and small trading terminals. What makes 3Commas especially appealing to experienced trader is the ability to set up complex strategies, use trailing features, and apply trading view signals. You also have access to a marketplace of community-made bots. However, it's not free. There are pricing tiers, and the most features you want, the more you'll need to pay. Still, the amount of control and customization it offers makes it ideal for users who like to tweak their strategies and trade across multiple platforms. Pionex, on the other hand, is all about simplicity and accessibility. It's an exchange and a bot platform in one, meaning you don't need to connect to an external exchange. Pioneer offers 16 plus free built-in bots, including grid trading, DCA, arbitrage, and rebalancing bots. You don't pay for booth access. It's all included with their standard trading fees. That makes it perfect for beginners or intermediate users who want automation without needing to code or configure a lot. The downside is that you're limited to using Pionex's exchange. So if you already trade somewhere else, you'd have to move your funds. And while it's user-friendly, it doesn't give you as much room for strategy customization as 3Commas does. So if you're looking for tip control, multi-exchange support, and customizable bots, 3Commas is the winner. But if you're newer to crypto and want something simple, built-in, and free, Pionex is the easiest option to start with. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.